Hello my dear friends, I am Akshat Singh and today I am going to tell you about some important information about the periodic table. So basically in the today's video I will going to give you about some information on the periodic table and a little bit history which is very important to know about it. And I will try not to go to in much deep about the information, and I will try to make you understand in a very easy language. And so let us start with the information. So the periodic table is also known as the periodic table of the elements, because in this table the elements are arranged on the basis of their property, on the basis of their atomic number and atomic mass, increasing atomic number and increasing atomic mass. So many scientists try to make the periodic table, but only one scientist who became successful and who published the periodic table in the year of 1869 was the Russian chemist Mendeleev. And Mendeleev is particularly known for his discovery of the periodic table, because he made the periodic table very useful and structure is very useful. In his periodic table you can see that you can see some gaps which he leave for the elements which will going to discover in the future. And by elements I remember that the periodic table is almost in the presently the periodic table contains the 118 elements, and in this element the metals and non-metals and metalloids are included. So metalloids, if you didn't know about the metalloids is particularly elements which have the properties of both metal and non-metal. So metalloids are represented in the middle of the periodic table, as you can see in the picture. And if I talk about the further information about the periodic table is all about the arrangement of the elements, and it provides a very useful framework for analyzing the chemical reactions, and when we add to when an element reacts with another elements, and what comes the reaction about. So the periodic table tells about the reactions and their properties, and give them much information. So if I talk about the structure of the periodic table, there are the 7 rows, and the rows are called the periods. In the periods, the left side on the periods there is a represented the metal, and on the right side there is a non-metals, and in the center you can see the metalloids. And there are the column also, which is called the groups. So these are the two things which is very important to know about, which is a very main part of the structure of the periodic table. And now today you can see that the periodic table is a sign of the chemistry, and the whosoever interested in the chemistry learn the periodic table, and it is very easy to learn if you get some tricks. So there is so many tricks to learn the periodic table, and so many people also learn this. And if you learn the periodic table, you get so much knowledge of the elements, which is very important to know in the chemistry. And in every book of the science you can see the periodic table mentioned, and in the 10th there is a particularly a chapter based upon the periodic table, in which you can learn about the elements and the properties of the elements specifically, and and much about the structure of the periodic table and reactions between the elements and elements. So that's all about my today's speech about the information about the periodic table, which is very important to know. So hope you like the video. Thank you.